Good evening, everyone, and welcome to Freedom Mutondo TV, your channel dedicated to education, motivation, and English learning. Today, Freedom Mutondo TV continues its mission of helping thousands of people improve their English step by step through simple, practical, and accessible lessons. Since its creation, Freedom Mutondo TV has regularly shared educational content such as useful English expressions, daily life conversations, tips to speak English confidently, and advice for successful job interviews. The channel continues to attract more learners who want to improve their English, even without living in an English-speaking country. Through short, motivating, and easy-to-understand videos, Freedom Mutondo TV is becoming a trusted source for people who want to learn English at their own pace. Freedom Mutondo TV is not only about teaching English. The channel also promotes self-confidence, personal development, and professional success. If you are looking for a simple way to learn English every day, Freedom Mutondo TV is the perfect place to guide you. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on notifications, and share the videos with your friends. This was your news update on Freedom Mutondo TV. Thank you for watching, and see you soon for another edition. Freedom Mutondo TV. Learn, grow, and succeed.